Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the direct fuel injection pump on Volkswagen Tiguan 4th generation. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you guys watch that video. It could be quite simple fix, we'll talk about that. And guys, after that, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, anything like that, guys, we're going to share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out, guys, and you can see, guys, where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So guys, now for the direct fuel injection pump, which fuses and relays we need to check. We have multiple videos on the channel how to replace direct fuel injection pump, where it's located, the direct fuel injection pump, okay, and all that will be on the channel. Now we'll be working different fuse boxes. We'll check multiple fuses. The first one is under the hood on the right side, on the driver's side, guys, right here facing the engine. It's on the right side, that's the driver's side. Now we'll have two different fuse box layout. We'll explain about both depending on the year. But before we continue, let's explain quickly, guys, why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay, they look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. So this fuse box layout here is for 2012 to 2017. We need to check multiple fuses. All those are for engine management, so we need to check all of them if you have that problem, guys. But now 2012 to 2017 looks like that. Let's start with that, then we'll explain about 2008 to 2011 year model. Starting here, we need to start with fuse number 10, which is quite important fuse. The fuse numbers will be listed on the left side of the fuse number 10. Then you go to fuse number 13, 14, right here, and 15 will need to be checked. After that, you need to check on some models 16 and 17 as well. Next, fuse number 18 right here, and after that we go to fuse number 23 and 24 right here, and check these two relays as well, guys. Now on the front, check your mega fuses, test them, guys, because a bad mega fuse can cause, okay, the car to act completely dead and things not to work out as well. So here, if you have a 2008 to 2011 year model, the fuse box will look like this one. Here things will be almost the same, but with some differences, because the fuse box here has a different layout. First you need to check fuse number 10 right here, this fuse. Then we're going from there to fuse number 13, 14, 15. These three fuses right here will need to be checked. After that, we need to locate fuse number 20 Okay, we don't have that one specifically, some others will. 21 right here, 23 and 24 will need to be checked, and check these two relays as well. Now we're not done, guys, we're going inside the vehicle. So coming here, you have another fuse box. Open the driver door on the left side of the steering wheel. Here under the dash you're going to find another fuse box. Let me turn the light on. It's hidden. You have hidden relays, even more hidden relays you may have on top and behind. But we made a special video on the channel that's called VW Tiguan fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Very helpful video. He will teach you about all your hidden fuses and relays. Coming here in that little bitty fuse block in the middle row, the fuse numbers will be listed under the fuses. That's fuse number now 9, 10, 11, 12, so fuse number 13, 14 and 15. These three fuses will be the one that you guys need to check as well if you have problems with that. If you still have problems, we recommend to check fuses and relays for the engine computer. The video will be on the channel. Check it out if you still have problems with that sensor, guys. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.